Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Greg Law Trader. Here in this video I want to talk about difference between fundamental and technical analysis. Most newbies they don't understand fundamental analysis as they are coming into trading. Their focus, their mind is on technical analysis. They don't really understand the fundamental and the difference between the fundamental and the technical analysis as well. So I'm going to tell you the difference between the fundamental and the technical analysis. So in fundamental analysis as well, this is what you need to understand mostly as a beginner or as senior being. The fundamental, you need to understand the political aspect, the political stability in trading, the political aspect, the events, the economic, the news events, whatsoever that contains news, it always affect the markets in trading. So that's what you need to understand. Whenever they are having news, what you need to look to, the kind of news which you need to look to when trading is the high impact news, and those high impact news are such news like the inflation, which are like the CPI as well, the interest rates, the employment and unemployment, which is non-farm rule, the political stability and events news. So those are the things, those are the high impact news. Those are things which you need to understand before you go to technical analysis. Before you do your technical analysis as well, you need to go to your economic charts, your economic calendar as well, or your economic data. You check whether you have an high impact news, because if you have an high impact news and you just go straight to your charts and start doing your technical analysis, whenever that news is out, it will affect you. But when you understand it, oh, you have an high impact news, you now know what to do. You check what the news is saying about that pair you are about to trade. Maybe you're about to trade USD, and you check what is going to affect when that news is released, whether it's going to be bearish or it's going to be bullish. So you now understand it so that you can follow the trend. You can follow the news trend, the fundamental trend as well when doing your technical analysis. So it has different when that's for fundamental. The fundamental and technical, it's different thing. So you need to understand the fundamental and also understand the technical so that you know what to do when you're trading. Why in technical aspect? The technical aspect is for the past price action, the previous past price action that have been acting or that have been taking place already in the market, is for you to predict or analyze the future, what is going to happen next with those past price action that has already happened in the technical aspect. So that's what you need to understand. That's why we have different strategy which you need to do, that to analyze the past price action, to see what is going to happen to the future and know, oh, this is what is going to happen to the future, or this is what the price is going to be next. So that's when you have like support and resistance, SMC, trend line, candlestick chart patterns, and you have indicators as well. You have different trading strategies to use to analyze the future and to know what is gonna happen next on the technical aspect. So there are difference. You see, the fundamental is based on news, why the technical is based on analyzing the past price action to see what is going to happen to the future and see how it's going to flow together. So those two things have difference. Whenever you trade, make sure you understand the fundamental and the technical as well, because without understanding the fundamental, it will affect you when doing your technical aspect as well. So when you understand those fundamental and the differences, what it takes or what you need to do in the fundamental, or what you need to understand in the fundamental, then you have the knowledge to analyze the future of the technical as well. So as a new being or as a beginner, whenever you're doing your analysis in technical, make sure you check your economic charts or your economic data in the fundamental aspect. So this is what you need to understand as well as a newbie. So those are the difference between the fundamental and the technical aspect in trading. So please, if you know you're not following me, make sure you follow for content like this. Also like this video, comments and share it to get to others to also learn as well. Peace and love. Thanks.